How do I pick a metal finish? There are a variety of different metal finishes that are applicable to competition robotics. Different finishes have a variety of different purposes, from corrosion prevention to aesthetics to functional changes. Let's start with fasteners. So the two most common finishes are zinc plated or black oxide. AndyMark fasteners are usually zinc plated since it provides a superior corrosion resistance and a nice silver finish. Zinc plating is applied by dipping the components in a bath of zinc and other chemicals while an electric current is run through the bath. This deposits the zinc on the surface of the fastener, creating a nice shiny finish that is quite durable and rust resistant. The other common hardware finish is black oxide. This is applied in a different chemical bath, but not by electricity. It's a chemical reaction on the surface of the steel. This finish provides a nice black appearance, but is significantly less corrosion resistant than zinc. Zinc plating and black oxide are also applicable to other components. At AndyMark, most of our steel components are going to be zinc plated along with our fasteners. This is the same coating as the fasteners use, it's just applied to either hex shafts, gears, or plates. Black oxide can also be seen on some of our gears. The grease applied during use will prevent the corrosion. For our aluminum products, we have quite a few different finishing options. This is a good example of a well-machined, unfinished part. The machine is well calibrated and a lot of care has been taken to machine corners, to deburr it and make sure the feeds and speeds are correct such that it gives a nice shiny finish. Parts like this can sometimes scratch easily, so if you do value the finish, take care to protect these parts. This is another example of an aluminum part with no finish applied, except after machining, it's been tumbled, which is a process of putting a bunch of parts in a container of ceramic balls and vibrating the container. Most of our aluminum parts have a process similar to this applied to them to reduce sharp edges and burrs. Another popular aluminum finish is anodizing. This finish can either be clear, so you can see the silvery aluminum color under it, or it can be a variety of different colors. At AndyMark, we have a variety of different extrusions and components in a range of colors that you can choose to match your team's branding. Similar to zinc plating, anodizing is an electrochemical process where the parts are dipped in a bath of chemicals and an electric charge is run through the bath. A reaction occurs in the oxide layer of the aluminum, causing it to absorb the color and form a durable coating on the part. You can also mix in different chemicals to that bath to create different surface finishes. This part, for example, is PTFE impregnated for higher durability and lower friction. Anodizing only works on select materials, so you'll only see it on aluminum parts at AndyMark. Our final process to discuss is powder coating. You'll often see robot frames and large components that have been powder coated for durability and aesthetics. Powder coating is done by positively charging the metal component you wish to coat and negatively charging the powder particles. Once these are sprayed on, the difference in charge causes the particles to stick to the metal until it's been baked and forms a solid shell encasing the part. Powder coating is a highly customizable process, as you can get many different colors and different finishes as well. Unlike our other finishes, powder coat is more like a paint where it sits on top of the part and you can actually measure its thickness. If you're dealing with tight fits such as bearing presses, this can cause issues, so make sure you account for it. As you can see, different metal finishes can improve the functionality and appearance of your parts. And that's how you pick a metal finish.